Welcome to DeskDirector. Today, we'll learn how to set up notifications to keep you and your clients informed about important events. DeskDirector's notification feature allows users to receive alerts directly on their desktops for specific events. These notifications can be dismissed by the user or will close automatically after 10 seconds. Users will receive notifications when 1. A ticket status is changed. 2. Notes or time entries are added. 3. A company broadcast is sent from DD Tech. Portal notification settings are global, meaning once enabled, all of your clients will see them. You can further customize this with advanced filters to target specific contacts or companies. To enable notifications, follow these steps. Log into your admin portal. Navigate to Portal, Notifications. Turn on the Enable Notifications switch. Enable the specific notification events you want to receive. Add boards to send notifications from. Be aware, if you don't add any boards, no notifications will be sent. To limit which companies or contacts receive notifications, add them to receivers in the Advanced tab. We recommend limiting this feature to individual clients as you update each one. To limit notifications by ticket status, add them to the status triggers in the Advanced tab. That's it. Now you're all set to keep your clients updated with real-time notifications. Thanks for watching.